How to connect Apple CarPlay on Peugeot. In this video, I'm going to be showing you a quick guide for you to be able to connect your Apple CarPlay into your Peugeot car. This is very easy actually. So the very first thing that you want to do if you haven't tried connecting your phone into your CarPlay from the Peugeot car is all you have to do first is from your CarPlay, you simply head straight into the settings, My Devices and Connectivity, and then from there, you need to go back on your phone and make sure that your Bluetooth is turned on. Now, if you already turned on your Bluetooth, your CarPlay will automatically detect nearby Bluetooth devices that is currently turned on, and you just need to find the designated Bluetooth device from your phone. Turn on the Bluetooth and Wi-Fi on your phone, search for Autobox or depending on specific name of CarPlay, and then Bluetooth to connect to it and confirm the authorization request on your phone. And then after connecting the connection on your vehicle screen, you will automatically be taken to CarPlay or Android Auto page. Now once you've successfully connected it, your CarPlay will remember it and will just need to turn on Bluetooth and it will automatically connect by itself. And that's how you connect Apple CarPlay on Peugeot.